If you find yourself adrift in the vast expanse of life, overwhelmed by a sense of aimlessness, distress, and an insatiable craving for purpose and contentment, then we at this center of self-development extend our hand to guide you towards a path of self-discovery and transformation. Imagine a pristine garden filled with colorful flowers, lush greenery, and a gentle breeze carrying a sweet fragrance. This garden represents a person's being, his body, mind, heart, emotions, and spirit in its natural state of harmony and balance. Now, imagine that this person begins to plant seeds of negativity and commit acts that go against their own values and principles. Each negative action is like a weed, takes root and spreads throughout the garden, slowly choking the life out of the vibrant flowers and suffocating the beauty of the landscape. The person continues to sow seeds of wrongdoing. It has now become a habit. The weeds multiply and grow taller, casting shadows over the once bright flowers. The garden becomes an entangled mess, where the beauty is obscured by the darkness of sin. In this analogy, the garden represents the person's overall well-being, while the seeds of negativity symbolize the sins committed. Just as the weeds overpower the garden, sin has a cascading effect on various aspects of the person's being. The body, like invasive weeds, drain the energy and vitality from the body. They contribute to stress, fatigue, and physical ailments, leaving the person feeling weak and burdened. The mind. Just as weeds overtake the garden, sins cloud the mind with negative thoughts, distorted beliefs, and an overall sense of confusion. The heart, like the suffocating weeds, restricts the flow of love, compassion, and empathy within the heart. The person's ability to connect deeply with others and experience genuine joy becomes constrained as the heart becomes hardened and closed off. The spirit. The accumulation of sins weighs heavily on the spirit, stifling its natural inclination towards growth, purpose, and spiritual connection. Like the garden overrun by weeds, the person's spirit loses its vibrancy and struggles to find meaning and fulfillment. The gradual decay of the garden serves as a reminder of the impact of sin on the person's overall state. The more sins that take root and spread, the darker and more chaotic the garden becomes, diminishing the person's overall well-being and preventing them from flourishing in their true potential. So how can we help? The objective of the Zawiyah and the treasurer of these teachings is to restore the garden of the heart back to its natural, pristine state, absorbing the divine light. In this center of well-being and self-development, our panel of instructors are professionally trained to help you dig out the roots of sinful weeds and make your heart a garden of peace and